Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, most out today's news. Van Persie will be former Arsenal player and former Manchester United player and a football pundit. God come as I can give in 2 cents about Arsenal. So, but back on the opinion, say Arsenal can never win the title with a goalkeeper that makes so much countless mistakes. You get say most of your Ramsdale mistake they always lead to goal. And back on the opinion, say Ramsdale needs mad competition, like competition wey go make am fear, competition wey go dey put am on him toes. You get no be turner. So the turner no be like the adequate competition for am. Competition just get the kind of person wey go come, we go dey for bench. Just like as Rice come now, say party representative dey carry him matter, they go give people say how far I go buy, how far I go buy. You know all those kinds of things because you yourself as a player, you know say the person wey dey come na mad player, like the person he get quality like mad. You get if he no pass you na go dey the same level, so you go dey fear. So na all those kind of things na Baba dey talk about. Ramsdale go dey look turn and dey look and say this one na shit back and this one no dey my level, I no sabi ball delivery, no sabi this, no sabi that. So that is why Van Persie talk say although he like Manchester United, but at the same time say e no mean say even see some things wey dey happen for Arsenal make e no chook him out. And me sef, when I come look wetin Van Persie dey talk, the thing resonate with me, the thing hits me. Many a times on this platform I go return and talk say the reason we overlook the excesses, the mistakes of Ramsdale now because of the good things, the saves that he does for us. Because I quite understand and quite agree that this type of errors where they make, not just Ramsdale, even our defenders. Look at the friendly we played with Manchester United. Look at the error that Gabriel Magalhaes made. Imagine saying a real match for the EPL, you can make that kind of error. When we are looking to equalize, we are looking to score goal, make it be 1-1. You make a schoolboy error. Look at the first goal. I keep saying it. Ramsdale could have caught that ball. At least point them out. Don't be saying he must catch him. Like point them out. So I don't know whether that they reason towards the same line of thoughts of Van Persie. Now they see points for what they make. Like let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Some people go in the comments and talk say we shouldn't have sold Ben Leno, but the truth is Ramsdale gives us something different from Ben Leno, and this is what it is. Alright, away from that, so Eduardo Hagen, the comments I call they clarify. He gets say Arsenal is going to be getting Bitello. He gets for just 8 million euros. Now, for those who don't know, Bitello he plays for Grêmio. Now, Arsenal won't sign the player. He gets so that 8 million euros is about 6.9 million pounds. So the valuation itself don't come lower, it don't be cheaper, and Arsenal want to sign the boy. Again, a midfielder in between 3-year-old. So my prayer and I made them sign and make it come join us this season. No one hear any story. Like everybody, many sources don't publish and say the deal now this week it will happen. Say Arsenal don't get their 4th signing. Like so many people are saying so many things positive about the player. I don't go check out for YouTube. The only thing made me like the player now the outside shot when they wipe, like the guy get bumped for leg. And the thing really suits me. Last angle, I watch a lot of last angle from the highlights. Get so and that one myself I don't like, but let's just keep watching. Fabrizio Romano don't come outside, can they give us some clarification, gives us clarity on Kylian Tierney situation. Now, Baba can say as it stand like this now, say Kylian Tierney's situation will change later in the future. But one thing people need to understand is say Arsenal are not desperate to sell him. Yes. But at the same time, if an offer comes in, Arsenal might just take it. Yes. Nobody say them put them actively on the market, they're not really looking to sell him. But if an offer comes in, they may. That may not just speculation with a guess. They may collect the offer, they may also decline the offer. Yes. So that's it, because I don't even see Arsenal collecting the offer, because I think they talk say we need 2 quality people in one position. Yes. So that when one person gets injured or something happens to one person, the quality in class no go too drop. You get. You should be either equal or maybe go drop small. That's the difference. So they look for. So that's what it just be. And again, FC Barcelona don't come outside. Can they confirm say the Arsenal match where they go play tomorrow midnight Arsenal Nigerian time 3:30 a.m. say the match go hold because they posted on their Twitter page, see you at Sophie Stadium, Arsenal. So that's like an indication, that is the guarantee say the match go hold. Now it's possible say some of their stars fit no play, you get, maybe those who they suffer from the virus, but whether the match go hold, that one Ashola, the match go hold. So we expect to see people like Pedri, people like Alexander Balde, like maybe Lewandowski go play. I can't really say now to see their team sheet, you get. And see, this match I expect it to be different from the physical approach of Manchester United. So now you will see beautiful football, you will enjoy it. Alright, so Peterborough chairman, who they call Daria McAnthony, come as I to say Arsenal would love to sign Harry Kane from Tottenham Hotspur, but because of the rivalry between the two clubs, like the rivalry too deep, you get, so there is no way Arsenal would like to sign. Even so, Manchester United are even interested in signing Harry Kane, but Harry Kane they try to protect in Tottenham legacy, because anything we make can go sign for another English club, you see that in legendary status, it is going down the drain, you get, nobody will send them again. So that is why he's looking at clubs overseas. People like Bayern, you get, and they're really interested in signing him. And the owner of Spurs don't tell the chairman Daniel Levy say, if Harry Kane no gree sign a new contract, let them sell him now. Because if we sell him now, you go feel recoup some money. You get, so Daniel Levy is about to sell him. Bayern Munich are confident. Tuchel the confident saying go fit get Harry Kane. And myself, I know say like what the chairman of Peterborough talk, this Daniel McAnthony. So Babadi of the opinion, this Daria McAnthony, Babadi of the opinion say, if Arsenal sign Kane, they will win the league. You get, because Arsenal needs somebody like Kane, and it is true. We need a prolific striker like a Harry Kane, a striker that can guarantee you at least 20 goals per season. You get, we never get that kind of player. I think the last time we got it was Aubameyang. You get, and Aubameyang said we get when this Shaq on come out. So since then, nobody really don't give us those goals who they miss, like 20-25 goals per season. We never get them. All we are getting is 15 goals, 14 goals, and the likes. Get, so that's what it just be. Tobias don't do interview with Football London, so Babakon they explain how last season goes. So last season was very, very difficult for him, especially after he got that injury against Sporting Lisbon. He spent 4 months out, and personally when they play as you know the Ben White was doing a fantastic job. In fact, at the point he lost confidence in himself. So watching Ben White doing so good a job, like he can't come back, can't sit down for bench. So but now he can talk say as in like this now, he don't care whether na right back in play, na left back in play, na either of the centre back, like all the mission be say making just for the field of play, because they ask him say playing right back and playing left back, like what's the difference for you and playing centre back? He say for him no difference, everything he understand the system. Once you just enter the field of play, coach just plan say this is your position, this is what I want you to do. You don't adapt, like you know, be no difference to him. He understand he understand what it takes to play centre back. He knows what it takes to play the right back. He knows what it takes to play the left full back row. So anyone with a giver, we just slot in. Alright, so ahead of the match, Arsenal won't play against Barcelona. So Arteta and Gabriel Jesus then conduct the interview. Gabriel Jesus can become an assistant. So for that interview, they ask Arteta about Kerry and Tierney. So what thing get to talk about Tierney future? So whether Tierney still in plan, like in they guarantee Thomas Partey can guarantee Tierney. Or say yes, obviously he's part of our plan. He can talk so much about Kerry and Tierney. Say he followed us and do pre-season. He gets. And he can reiterate the same thing while they talk, say he wants to make 2 top players play for 1 position. Like, let there be competition for places. That is the same thing Van Persie is talking about. Aaron Ramsey say Ramsey need to get some quality replacement. Person will say go push him to the edge, so that all these little pocket of errors when they make, he no go to make them. If a keeper makes an error, 9 times out of 10 it leads to goal. So that's something we say people no go really forget, they go remember and get. But if a midfielder makes a mistake, you get, maybe they give you pass, no control and work, no be say it go lead to goal. You get, it's not like 9 times out of 10, maybe not 2 times out of 10. A Partey will make mistake, will lead to goal, or maybe Rice will make mistake. But if goalkeeper makes a mistake, they usually lead to goal though. Alright, so we're going to watch Bukayo Saka. So somebody can post that on social media, say when people notice say Saka don't get mad body transformation, like they call it compare before and after, like 12 months ago and now. Saka don't shred, see muscles, the guy don't bulk up and he's still bulking up, like the guy dey sleep for gym from what we dey watch. And they call the talk say as it be like this now, it go dey hard for people to dey bully him around, because I know so with your own pace, with your own trickery, if you move, you don't move, you get. So instead go feel the drag with people, which is what we want, because that is the same thing we are telling Fabio Vieira to go and do. You can't be looking all leg and be coming and thinking the EPL is the same with the Portuguese league. No, this place, aggressiveness is the order of the day, you get. So you must be very, very aggressive. Go and bulk up. That's what they ask and make him go do. Get make Saka tell them we're in the gym. Make some of them go to the gym together. I'm just happy for Saka. Alright, so they're going to ask Mikel Arteta also about influence from Pep Guardiola. So Baba can just say, you don't talk about the often time, say Pep Guardiola is the best manager in the world. Say him personally, he learned a lot from Pep Guardiola, I guess. So there's nothing more to say. Now the guy influencer. That is why we are like a mini Man City team, because the way we play is similar to the way they play. If you check the other day, Kevin De Bruyne, they do interview, you say, even they watch Arsenal, you get just blessing to watch Man City play. You get. That is why when Man City play against us, they do very, very hard for them to break us down. Sometimes now our own individual errors, now they gift them goal. And Tomiyasu even said itself, say that error we make against Man City when gift them their goal. I think he made the error we allow Kevin De Bruyne to score. Say that one, say the thing really busted him, like he messed up with his mind. You get after the match, like. You know, when you say now you cause the error, you know as they be now. So now so our match with Man City they usually be. With the create chances we do they take them, and our individual errors. We they take all the chance. Look at the match we play, we outplay them at the Emirates Stadium. Scatter everywhere, last we don't even win. So we just get something of this bad luck. Alright, they're going to ask Arteta about the Barca match. So Babaka will talk, say the match is going to be a very, very different match. You get. So like I told you, expect fantastic ball. They will play at the Sophie Stadium. I will try my best. Make I watch the match. Even though at 3:30, who will do Nigeria their match now suffer match, because how many people? Every time you say no be many people go watch that match. Online. How many people go wake up? Imagine people say you go work. You can't wake up 3:30 to watch match. We go enter that kind maybe to 5 or maybe after 5. You get. So you get that to be now. Well, myself I will try my best. But I don't say this one, I'm actually say if you watch it, you will really enjoy it. Like Arsenal and Tiki Taka, Barca and Tiki Taka. So less aggressiveness, less violent play. Now you will see. So the ball, I believe say go day many times on the field of play. Although breakdown play, foul, go to happen. That's what I'm seeing. At the same time, they ask Gabriel Jesus about in goal targets for the new season. Like, what is your plan? How many goals do you want to score? Babaka saying they plan to score more goals, like score plenty goals. But the major thing when they look for, no be really individual stuff. You get. Now, Mboko win titles. He wants us to win. You want to make sure say the goals when go score, and goals will help Arsenal win titles, win something. And myself, I resonate with everything they talk. I want Arsenal to actually win something this season. So I believe we are on the same page on that. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Again, out.